Hi. Whoop. Hi. Today I've been edging my borders. I've been doing that for a while, but I'm starting to get finished now, at least on the front side. I will show you a quick summary of what I've done in the front here. And now the fun thing remains, which is to dress all this with fresh mulch, bark mulch, and then of course plant it up. I think it will be really nice, and also the edges make it a lot easier to mow the lawn from now on. I've been digging quite heavily. Usually I try to dig as little as possible so that I don't get too big clumps of old grass, sods, because they're really heavy to get rid of. But in this case I've actually done the opposite. I've been digging while it was wet. It's easy to dig and it's easy to get big clumps, and I've spread the clumps around the lawn. And the reason is twofold. One, I want the sods to dry up. And two, I want to use the soil as dressing soil for the lawn. I've already spread lime and iron sulfate on the lawn. I've also bought some special dressing soil, and I've sown first. I've sown a lot of extra grass seeds everywhere. Then I put dressing soil on the places where it was the barest. But now I will just rake through these. Once they've dried up, there will be nice weather now for a couple of days. The sun will clear, the skies will clear up. So once these dry up, I will go through them with the rake, and also manually probably shake all the soil away from them. And first, after that, I will take them to the dump, because then they will weigh hardly anything. And then all the remaining soil I will just rake out on the lawn, where I didn't have time, energy and money to put out dressing soil, and the soil will come above the already new grass seeds. So I think that will be a nice, efficient way to deal with the sods. So I've done the front completely. I'm working here on the back side with a bit of a curvy line, and also threefold actually. I will use some of these sods to build up some berms here. As usual, a shout out to Garden Hike. His name is Kevin. I have misspoken previously. Wonderful YouTube channel, Garden Hike. Kevin always uses a lot of undulations, both horizontal and vertical. So I will build up some berms here, and then I will put in a lot of rock in different sizes. I've already done that here. This is a new bed. As you can see, it's two-layered. Maybe it's hard to see on the camera, but it's the back side is half meter higher, almost. 30 centimeters, a foot at least higher than the front side. And the height I've achieved by just saving some of the grass soils. I dug them out, and then I just turned them over and filled up with a lot of soil. So hopefully the grass won't come through there. Yeah. So spring is upon us. There are some spring bulbs here and there. This area, of course, the big project for this spring is installing a greenhouse here. I will let the forsythia bloom first before I cut it down and move it. And I will also move all of the nice shade perennials that I have under here. And I will move them to this new bed that I've created on the front. Let me show you. This will be really visible from the street. I think it would be really nice. Also here I have a lot of unique perennials in this, and I've taken down the wall so that people passing by will be able to enjoy them. Also on this side I have a lot of nice stuff. I've moved some shrubs here, and I'll try to fit in the forsythia somewhere, but I don't think it will fit actually. So here I'll put this gets morning sun, this area. So I'll put most of the stuff here, and then some. I have a lot of stuff cooking in the basement. And also, let me also show you, just you can see all the crocuses now. They're almost bloomed out. There are some little grape hyacinths over there. Tulips are on the way. There's some hyacinths. I haven't seen the daffodils yet. Well, I guess here they are, among other things. Lilies. Anyway, the last thing I wanted to show you. It's raining again. I really hope my winter sowing doesn't get destroyed by all the moisture. As you can see, there are life in at least some of these crates by now. And I have just opened them up. I think we will have clear skies now for at least 24 hours, maybe more, and then I will try to put on the lids before it starts to rain again. And then we will have almost a week of dry weather. I think I will keep them open just to dry them out a bit. So, mixed results so far, but I'm not giving up on these yet. Then in the basement I will show you another time. It's really kicking off. My indoor sowing has, most of it has really taken off. So I've doubled or tripled the size of my indoor sowing area. I bought a lot of new growing lamps. So now tomorrow I will be potting up some things for the second time. First they came up as seedlings, I potted them on, and now they need more space again. I started a bit too early. I started in December, January sometime. So most of them are already at a size where they're ready to be planted out, but I can't plant them out yet, of course. They have to wait almost another month. So they need a lot of space, and also I've sown more since then. So as soon as I get little trays free from potting on, I put new stuff in. So I'm not sure where I will put everything, but that's always a nice bother to have. Well, that was that. Hope you enjoyed it. See you around. Bye bye.